Hello people, and for this round, we'll be showing you how to root BlueStacks. So the first thing we have to do is to type in File Explorer and then go to File Explorer Options down here. It's going to show us this, and now we will go to View, Show Hidden Files and Folders, and then uncheck the Hide Protecting Operating Systems so we can see the files. Once we click Apply, press OK, and let's open Drive C. And once we're here, go to C, and then go to Program Data. Once we're here, just go over to BlueStacks_NXT and then the BlueStacks config. Now it's already a notepad file because I already set that beforehand, but when you open that, just open it with notepad. Now once here, just hit Ctrl F so we can search for root. Now the first we have to do is feature rooting, just change that to 1. Root access also 1, and those are the two options that we need to enable, which the values we change from 0 to 1. Once that's done, just save, close, and now we go over to BlueStacks. Now once we're in the Play Store, look for Root Checker. It's this one, install. Now let's open, just agree, get started, verify root, and there we go. We are now done. We have now rooted our BlueStacks. So if you have any questions, just leave them on a comment down below. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.